What's up, YouTube family? Welcome to another video with Blue Furrow Kennels. I'm with Matt. We're in the whelping container, and I think it's about that time. Alright, y'all, make sure y'all stay tuned for the whole video. Just had to give y'all an update on the pups. This is one day update. Y'all see him. Alright, we gotta get going. Alright, enjoy the video. What's up, YouTube family? Welcome to another video with Blue Furrow Kennels. And as y'all can see, Madison has just given birth. She's just given birth, y'all. Labor is currently over. Still panning. Thinking she might have one more. We'll find out by the end of the night. But yo, we got 11 pups in total. 10 males and 1 female. Really a weird ratio when it comes to the male-female gender. But so we got dealt with. Alright, y'all, we about to put some of these pups on these nipples. So, see if we can get everybody on a nipple or something. Excuse the hands. Get everybody on her. Did a good job, man. Did a good job. Mosquito in here. Puppies is literally, she went in labor gonna be around like 7 o'clock, 7 a.m. First pup was born around 8, and then every hour since 8, she just been giving pups. All the tricolor pups, they came within like a 2-hour span, all 4 of them. It's like 4 of them in here, they all males, and they all thick. Every single one of them is thick. We got one runt in here, a little red male. Probably he in here somewhere. I think it's a little runt. The umbilic is still drying up. We'll make sure that we look out for them. Oh, don't go under there. Another try now. Yeah, this currently like 9:30. It's 9:34 right now, and we still thinking that we got one more pup left in her, man. This is actually Madison's last breeding, so y'all want pups like this. Y'all see pups like Have, Zeus, Athena, Stella, pups like that. It's all from this female right here, man. It's all from this one female. Can't wait to see these pups when they get older. I'm actually gonna put in a little clip of the male. Put a clip of him in right now. Yeah, he's 13 months old. Like tri-male, nice size. He around 100+ pounds. So we're looking for. He's gonna fill out as he get older, but I already had a stud credit for him, so we use it. from Madison's last breeding. I knew this was going to be a top-notch breeding, and I did not get disappointed. Not at all. We're going to wipe some of these pups down, man. After we wipe these pups down, we'll probably get back to y'all. But that'll probably be in another video. Probably in another video. The second video is going to come up, us cleaning up the pups. But yeah, man, she was bred on May 22nd. I showed a clip of that. And then her about 30 days, I knew that she was pregnant. Because just the comparison between her from the clip when she was getting bred to 30 days, you know, like I knew that she was pregnant. I didn't know that she was carrying this many. We went to go get her CAT scan or whatever, and they said they could only see 6 pups, but there's more spawns that they see. They couldn't see all the heads because everything was bundled together. Never knew that she was going to have this many pups, man. Never knew that she was going to have this many pups. Hold on, I'm back over here. Come on. Never knew that she was going to have this many pups. I'm highly impressed. For the most part, everybody is like, it's been a real consistent litter. Like, this is a female, this is a male.